from University of Bohol, and then we're going to sing Taylor Swift Love Story. Okay, 5, 6, 7, and
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashback started. I'm standing there on a balcony in summer air. See the lights, see the party, the ball gown. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did I know. For you were Romeo, you were throwing pebbles, and my daddy said stay away from Juliet. But you were everything to me. I was begging you, please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me somewhere we can be alone. I'll be waiting. All you have to do is run. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
so thank you for watching that. That's all.
Bye! I'll sing lang, I'll sing.